Hello team, you can see that scrolling is currently not working even though the information has been input already. On top of that, hit continue. Please enter 11-digit business fax number. It would be a 10-digit number, just like what you format. Also, there's no space between exclamation point and failed. And change failed to error. It's less abrasive. So let's get out of here for a second. You might notice that there is a black line down here and that the buttons are completely at the top. There's a spacing error that's happening there. Hey team, so if I wanted to go from this field here to this field here without hitting next, I'm going to tap this field on the iPad, see what happens. The keyboard drops down and I basically have exited this field, but what I wanted to do was get into this field. So now I have to tap it again. What we want is so that when you go from one field to another, from this field to say this field, I just have to tap it once instead of dropping on the keyboard and having to tap it again. So one tap brings you to the next place. And it actually works that way if you're going from this field to this field, it'll do just that. Or back again. So from this field to this field, or from this field to this field, it'll move you into that field when you tap on it. But if I were to go from this field to this field, it worked. But it didn't work there. So when I went from this field to this field, it didn't work. So you guys need to check the relationship between every single field and make sure we can touch from here and go to here. And then the keyboard will flip and it won't just touch you out, and then you'll have to touch it again to get in. At the top field, go to the bottom field, doesn't work. Yeah, so that needs to be gone through and corrected. This is in reference to point number 6 on today's error report 11.11.13. Right here, rolled is a smaller button than these buttons. We'd like rolled to be the same size as these buttons. All these buttons should be the exact same size, but the one you're selecting to go to that page, that one should be highlighted, just like this. This highlight's great. You see now cool drink is smaller. The buttons should all be the same size. The one that is selected is highlighted. That's it. So what we have here, actually I'm going to delete that order. What we have here, let's say I get T, could still make the price go negative, that's not good. Let's say I have T, I want to pay for part of it with credit, continue, no tip, pay for $1 of it with credit. Perfect. Right here it says paid $1. I'm actually going to save it because my friend just paid for his $1. He's left. I'm going to hang out here for a bit. Now I want to make another order, so the server pulls up my order window, and what you can see here is that $1 is no longer registering as having been paid for. So if I go to make another order or another addition to my order, I can see that, oh, the amount I'm paying for is for both orders even though we already paid for part of it. So that's a big error. On this page, you'll notice that the first Monday is indented and the second and third Monday are not. If anything, it should be reversed. The first Monday should be flat and the second and third Monday should be indented. Same goes for the first Tuesday, Wednesday, second Wednesday should be indented, so on. Also, please let us know how you delete these messages, because right now it's showing there and I can't really do anything else with it. Plus, what if it's a really long message? Is there a way to click on this so I can read more of it? Or is it all going to populate here? If it all populates here, that's fine. Just let me know how we can delete it, or if once it's read it gets logged somewhere. Thank you.